Tingin mo ba, ready ka na magpakasal? Ready ka na magpakasal? 6 signs na ready ka na magpakasal. Number 1, it's your own decision to get married. Make sure na ikaw mismo yung may desisyon na magpakasal. Hindi yung magpapakasal ka kasi yun ang gusto ng parents mo. Hindi dahil na pressure ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo na dapat ikaw na yung next. At lalong hindi yung napipilitan ka lang kasi bayad na kayo sa mga wedding suppliers. At the end of the day, ikaw yung papasok sa marriage na yan. Hindi naman yung ibang tao. Kapag kasi naikasal ka na tapos hindi ka naman pala ready, hindi naman mawawala yung doubts at issues kapag kinasal na kayo. Mas lumalabas pa nga sila habang tumatagal. Number 2, financially independent. Kayo mismo ng partner mo, kaya ninyong gastusan yung sarili ninyong kasal. You have your own sources of income. Kaya ninyong bumuo ng sarili ninyong pamilya without being a financial burden sa mga magulang o kapatid ninyo. Kapag nakaasa kasi sa iba yung finances ninyo, usually may kasamang expectations at opinions yan na nakakaapekto sa marriage ninyo. Number 3, ready na kayo emotionally and mentally. Both of you can make decisions on your own. Kaya ninyong mag-decide without having to ask your parents every single time. May tiwala kayo sa sarili ninyong judgment at kaya ninyong panindigan yung mga choices ninyo. And you know how to set healthy boundaries. Kaya ninyong makinig sa opinion ng iba, pero hindi kayo madaling ma-pressure kung hindi naman align sa gusto at kaya ninyo. Number 4, align ang future plans ninyo. Yung nakikita ninyo, yung isa't isa sa future plans ninyo, pareho kayo ng vision for your future. For example kasi, ang partner mo, hindi niya kayang mag-survive sa long-distance relationship. Tapos ikaw may plano ka palang mag-abroad in the future. Kung hindi align ang future plans ninyo, baka mahirapan kayo and it might cause resentment sa isa sa inyo. Number 5, you accept that marriage is a lifetime commitment. You have to understand na hindi ito basta happy ending sa isang fairy tale. And they lived happily ever after. It's a lifetime commitment. Kailangan ninyong mahalin at piliin yung isa't isa for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health. You have to be there for each other. And number 6, you feel happy to get married. Overall, you feel positive about getting married. May mga stress man sa wedding preps, pero at the end of the day, you are sure, happy, and excited to spend the rest of your life with that person. So tingin mo ba, ready ka na magpakasal?